Today I'm talking with Spiros. Sorry if I didn't pronounce correct, but I believe I did good. It's the first Greek person in our podcast. We had people already from not everywhere, but Israel, Brazil, I don't know, US, Poland, German. Man, we had a lot of people guests here, but it's I think the first Greek one. That we'll be talking about Smithy security. Also, correct me if I'm wrong, Spiros. But first, thank you for your time. Thank you for joining us. I'm pretty sure that we'll deliver to the community today some nice content, talk about the solutions, talk about how to help developers and build secure software. That's the whole goal of our careers, I would say. Again, thank you one more time. Please introduce yourself, talk to the audience, and we discuss.
Thank you very much for inviting me, Cassio. I'm really, really glad to be here. I've been actually following the podcast for a while, and I'm a big fan. You guys have some really great content. Spiros Gasteratos. I'm the founder and CEO of Smithy Security. I've been doing open source development and application security for about 20 years now. I've done a lot of things with and without OWASP. Contributed to a lot of repositories, to a lot of places, even the Linux kernel back in time. And in the pandemic, I created a small open source tool called OpenCRE.org that grew to become the largest security knowledge graph on the world. It's open source. You can find it on OpenCRE.org. And after the pandemic, we realized that connecting standards, connecting security knowledge without connecting security action, there is not as effective, because you will always need to create tests for your application security practice to make sure that your developers and your practitioners and yourself are following the best practices or the good practices and what needs to happen. So we created an open source, our second project, pretty large application security workflow engine, or SOAR, as is the Gartner term, to unify all of application security and software security practice into workflows.
Cool. Again, thank you for joining us. I think you have a very good things in your hands. I would confess, the audience already knows about this, maybe you're not. But I had my dream also of building my open source and my tool, but I was developer for maybe 12 years. But I don't have more time, this fully dedication to only this. If I would start it, I would never finish. That's my problem, with all the challenges and so on. So I really appreciate, and I would congratulate you for dedicating the time and efforts and so on to build this. And now we have a business and so on. It's like pretty nice, not only for the community, but for the whole security landscape, right? For the whole AppSec landscape. That's cool.
Oi, gostou desse corte? Então te aconselho a seguir o perfil, que tem muito mais conteúdo, e também te convido a continuar o episódio completo na íntegra.